Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And I have returned from vacation once again, almost a week away from the charts, and it feels great to get some fresh air. So always remember guys, get some some outdoors time, relax, go take a stroll in Mother Nature, whatever you got to do, but decompress from the charts. Don't always stay glued on it. I know we're all here to make money, and making money is amazing 24/7. We could trade these crypto markets all the time, but always remember there's more to it than that. And always stay healthy guys, because health is number one. But yeah, let's get into it right now. We can see that Bitcoin is at $21,300 right now, getting a slight pump towards the upside, as we can see right now. Bitcoin coming up. We ended the day nicely with a -5 and a 17, making a new high yesterday, or I should say a recent high, up to 21,670. But we are going to get a major test. As you can see, we're going to run into that 4-hour 200 EMA, and every time we've run into it lately during this during this downtrend, we've been rejected consistently, as we can see right here, and we almost tagged it right there. A beautiful touch point there and there once again, and then followed by big corrections. But right now, is this a continuation pattern? Are we going to get another touch point at 21,800 and get rejected from there, and then we're going to go down to 10,000? Well, in my opinion, sorry, I'm getting some burps right now, some bullish burps, and it actually kind of falls into what's happening in the crypto markets right now. I'm getting a little bit bullish, but yeah, you can see that right now Bitcoin is getting some nice movement towards the upside. Actually, maybe we're gonna go test 21,800 overnight during the Sydney session, but in my opinion, I think we are overdue for a bounce. I thought we were going to get that bounce at 30,000. Clearly that didn't happen, but now now that we've gotten a beautiful measured move down to 18,800. I actually went a little bit lower than that at 18,000 exactly, or 17,700, but ultimately getting a beautiful measured move. And if we do take out 22,500, which is the high right here, or we break that 200 EMA, I think we have a really good chance of getting back around to 25,000 at the very minimum. And especially for a lot of the altcoins as well, are extremely oversold. I am in a few longs in a lot of them actually, but definitely check those out if you guys are in the Discord. If you have not already, you guys can join for free, but if you want to see my trades, you do have to become gold members, but you can always ask for reviews and tips from the other traders that are in the Discord. But again, our Discord is free for all members to join if you just want to take a look around. But yeah, let's get back into it right now. We can see that Ethereum almost getting up to, we are actually at 1,400 at the moment, getting it past a little bit, getting past that level just by a little bit at the moment. But if we can close above here, a daily candle, then we would have I would imagine a surge back up to around 1,700, which is where my average entry is at the moment. So it's still in a bit of a slight loss there. We are in the money in a couple of other trades right here on FTT, which is basically FTX's token. We entered in around $23. We are currently basically up 18% at the moment. So congratulations to you guys who followed that trade signal in the Discord. You guys are doing pretty well. But imagine just it breaks this level right here, where FTX token's been having some trouble breaking out. And you do get a nice move towards the upside. You can climb up back to at least maybe $40 if Bitcoin gets to break that 25k level and keep surging towards the upside. Then yeah, you're gonna see the altcoins surge up very fast as well. But again, those traditional markets are looking quite good as well. You can see that the Nasdaq in the overnight markets right now is in the green by 45 basis point. Nothing too crazy there, but looking good so far. We did get a clean breakout here, came back, retested as support, 2 confirming candles there. And now we should get some movement towards the upside. We've got all the bad news that we've been needing it to get. The CPI is very high, 9.1%. The PPI is on the rise as well. But we're headed towards a recession, and recessions should solve the inflation problem overnight, and then the Fed can keep on printing money, and it's just happy days from there on. Obviously, that's probably not what's going to happen. What's probably going to happen is that we're going to get a bit of a break in the inflation fire. It's going to pause, maybe level off a little bit, you know, especially with commodity prices and energy prices coming down so much. I would imagine that the next CPI report that we do get is going to be lower and is going to fuel the rally into the market. As we head into the recession, the market is going to be expecting the Fed to lower the rates, which is probably what they're going to do. They're going to probably pause the rate hikes, or you know, at the very least, maybe as we head closer to November, they're going to start lowering them. But that is going to be a very big mistake, as I still expect inflation to keep going and surging towards the upside. As we can see right here, we are at 9. What's going on my chart? 9.1% now, absolutely blowing past this level right here. It's just kind of funny. We're doing some TA on inflation the other day with the guys in the Discord and the girls and the gals in the Discord. If you guys want to join, you guys can click the link in the description and join our Friday night sessions as well. But overall, we're breaking out, which is kind of funny because this is the inflation chart. But we can take a look at something I was looking at not too long ago. Oh, let me just get back on that chart and I'll show you guys. I'll just reverse everything I did. I had it up because I did the math and I ran the numbers for the guy that posted this. Basically, someone sent this on Twitter and I thought it was worth taking a look at as well. And it's basically this is not my chart, by the way. I just put this image over my chart at the moment as I was trying to copy what he was doing, or whoever was doing this. And it was the Fed pivot indicator, average of 5-year yields and the federal fund rate multiplied by the national debt, which is essentially what I did as well. I got some pretty similar numbers. It's in basically saying every time we make it to contact with this trend line right here, the Fed reverses its interest rate policies. And honestly, I don't think they're too far off too either. You know, I think we are going to get an interest rate reversal sooner than later, because you know, at the rate that they're going, the housing market, you know, the entire economy is going to come crashing down at the interest rate levels that they have it at. And basically, the Fed always overdoes it, right? This same thing for the interest rates right now. Obviously, they're supposed to do more interest rates, but they're starting to panic with the amount of inflation that they have. They want to show people that they're able to fight inflation, even though we know that they're not able to fight it, because you obviously don't fight 9.1% inflation with like the 1.5% on the interest rates. Yeah, 1.2. You know, that is just not how you do things. You know, okay, so it was at 3.25 before, and we're now at 4.5. So yeah, they've raised them effectively by 1.5%. So obviously that's not enough. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right here. If Bitcoin does get a nice move tomorrow morning and we do break out, then you can start to look at some higher levels such as 23,500 to break, and always keep a close eye on that 200 weekly. It is now at 22,700, coming, you know, pretty close to around that area. Sorry, no, the 200 EMA is at 21,800. If we can get past that, I want to see it get past that 200 weekly and close above it on the daily time frame. But let's just see what happens, guys. I'm pretty bullish at the moment. I've obviously displayed all my positions for you guys in the stock market and in the crypto markets as well. So if you guys want to check those out and you're gold members, you'll feel free to do so. The Google sheet is in the gold chat. Anyways, guys, good to be back. Just giving you guys a bit of an update on what I'm thinking is going to be happening in the coming week. And yeah, by the way, let's take a look at that weekly time frame on Bitcoin right here, looking very, very, very bullish. As we can see, a 22 and a -3, and the weekly time frames, you know, when it comes to the DBSI numbers and the trend, it can be very, very correct, you know, and anticipating a long-term move, as you can see right here. You know, Bitcoin coming down from 43,000 all the way down to 17,600 with a beautiful red diamond right there on the weekly time frame. So this was months, you know, of the Bitcoin price coming down. and you can place a beautiful short right there at 43,800 with no leverage, obviously, and you would have made a beautiful 59% over the course of a couple months. But that is, again, a massive return. If you did it obviously with your entire portfolio, something I do not recommend, but some people still do it in the Discord, and we let them be, but they show us that it can be done. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.